You can put that one in the blue. Put that one in the blue.
Find the blue. Which one's the blue? Yeah. Can you put that egg in the blue?
We'll make a green one.
Okay, stir up.
Cool.
Do whatever you want to with them.
Good.
You're gonna put them all in yellow.
Gentle. Gotta put them in gentle. Gentle.
Egg.
Yeah, that's a good way to color eggs.
Egg.
There's no eggs in there to stir. And put one in the pink. Good. Good.
You gonna put them all in the pink?
By the time he's done, these are all just gonna be brown. But that's okay.
Mom will help you. What are you gonna do with this blue? I'm gonna put some eggs in the blue.
Good.
Egg. Egg.
Yeah, show Dada your egg.
Caleb,
Show Dada.
show me your egg. Show it to me. Show it to me.
Egg.
Yeah, egg. What color is that one?
Egg.
I don't really know.
Put it in the orange. Put it in the orange. Oh! Gotta be gentle.